For today's video we are going to opening
From the beginning, I saw her there. Feeling like since I met her, they said I couldn't have her. She out of my league, I never believed it. Gotta get her hard, I gotta make her mine. But what if she just tells me I'm not quite a speeder? Shows me her bad hands and crushes my ego. Dismiss me as a kid, tell me I'm barely legal, but barely legal. No, this conversation is taking us for a loop. Taking you serious.
third egg.
Ito, ang dapat ginagawa dito, kunin niyo yan at itapon nyo sa basurahan. Okay? Itapon nyo sa basurahan. Okay? Apak-apakan nyo hanggang mawala. Yan ang puta na yan. Walang kwenta yan.
Last egg.
Tap, tap.